Today, justice has been served. The conviction of Alice Guo, aka Guo Huaping, is a victory against corruption, human trafficking, cybercrime, and many other transnational crimes. Ngayon, hindi na sila makakaulit. This Senate investigation delivered unprecedented results. It helped secure a presidential executive order banning pogos, provided evidence towards a guilty verdict, sending a criminal to prison for life, and contributed in the passage of the Anti-Pogo Law of 2025. I am proud to consider it one of the most consequential Senate inquiries of my life's work so far. Maraming salamat sa mga biktima, witnesses, at whistleblowers na naglakas loob tumestigo sa Senado. Our deepest gratitude to our prosecutors at the DOJ who brought this case to justice. Sa ating mga law enforcers na hindi nagsawang mag-imbestiga, mag-raid at mag-rescue, maraming salamat sa inyo.